In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create images in Google Gemini. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get to Gemini, craft a clear prompt, and generate the image you have in mind with confidence. First, open your browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Gemini and hit enter. You'll see results related to Google's AI tools. This quick search is the fastest way to find the official page, especially if you don't have the direct link handy or you're using a new device. Next, click the official Google Gemini result. It should clearly reference Google and take you to the Gemini web app. Give the link a quick glance to make sure it points to Google's domain so you know you're in the right place. Once the page loads, you'll be in the Gemini interface where you can interact with the model and create images. Now focus on the message box at the bottom of the screen. This is where you'll type your image prompt. The key to great results is specificity. Describe the subject, the setting, the style, and any details that matter to you. Think in terms of what you tell a photographer or an illustrator. Mention the mood and lighting, the color palette, and any composition notes like close-up, wide shot, or overhead. If there's anything you don't want, you can add that too. For example, no text on the image or no people. Clear, descriptive language helps Gemini understand your intent and produce something closer to your vision. Here's a helpful pattern you can follow: subject, setting, style, mood, and key details. For example, you might write, a cozy reading nook by a large window on a rainy afternoon, warm ambient lighting, soft blankets, a steaming mug on a wooden table, cinematic, high detail, muted colors, no text. You can also include format preferences like portrait or landscape if it matters for your use. When your prompt looks good, click Submit. Give Gemini a moment to process and generate the image. Results typically appear quickly, and you may see variations that interpret your prompt in slightly different ways. If the output isn't quite right, adjust your wording to clarify what you want more or less of, then submit again. Small tweaks, like tightening the style, emphasizing a focal point, or refining the mood, can make a big difference. Keep your prompt respectful and avoid private or sensitive details to ensure everything stays safe and appropriate. That's all it takes. Search for Gemini, open the official page, type a clear, detailed prompt, and submit. With a bit of practice, you'll be able to consistently create images that match your ideas.